Hello there, I'm Morticia Addams, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this miserably marvelous makeup look. I've already prepared and primed my face in the lightest shade I have for that ghoulish glow. I'm also going to use it as an eye base for my eyelids to help make my shadows last for an eternity. Using a white shadow, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Then taking this ghoulish gray shadow, I'm going to work it into my crease in a windshield wiping motion. Now, taking a magnificent midnight black shadow, I'm going to work it into the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner of my eye for more depth and dimension. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend them all together. And repeating underneath my bottom lash line for that I haven't slept in ages look. Taking a poisonous purple shadow, I'm going to fill in the middle of my lid. And go back over the edges with black shadow, really working it in. Thank you, thing. Taking an eyeliner as black as my soul, I'm going to line my top and bottom lash line. Then I'm going to give my lashes some lift using a torturous device called an eyelash curler. And apply some goopy, tarry mascara. Next, I'm going to apply some false lashes that remind me of beautiful long spider legs. Then I'm going to proceed to contour and highlight my face using a ghoulish gray for contour, a blood red for rouge, after all I'm not quite dead, and a frightening white for highlight. Blend, blend, blend. Continuing to contour my nose and nostrils for that delightfully decaying look. Then I'm going to top it all off with ashes for powder. And remember to fill in and define your brows, ladies. After all, they do frame your eyes, and your eyes are your window to your soul. And finally, I'm going to outline my lips with a black liner and fill them in with a ravishing red lipstick. Mwah. And there you have it. I hope you just loathed this glamorous, ghoulish look. And if you did, please like and leave a comment down below.
Mira, 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 mira.